Have you come across people who eat a lot of fatty food but still maintaining their good body shape? There are some people who just drink water also become fat. All these are probably because of your genes. There is a DNA profiling test now available to find out more about your diet. You will get to know more about your response to carbohydrate, saturated fats, unsaturated fats, protein, sugar, sweet food, snacking risk, metabolic risk, fat distribution, yo-yo diet, and also lactase persistence. And once you get to know your genes better, you were able to cater a better diet for yourself to become healthier, slim, beautiful, and fit. Come, what's that mean? And I will explain more to you. I am Vivian Tan, your health and beauty TrueYou DNA consultant.